Summer is full of patriotic holidays. Whether you are celebrating 4th of July or a Flag Day, these patriotic star cookies are sure to bring that patriotic vibe into your event. Hi, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this step-by-step cookie decorating tutorial, we're going to use red, blue, and white royal icing to decorate these patriotic American flag star cookies. Let's get started. I'm using my sugar cookies, and I also prepared royal icing. To make the indentation on a round cookie, what you can do, you can use a star cookie and you can make the indentation before the cookies are baked. And this way you don't have to use a template or anything like that. The outline is there for you when you're ready to decorate. Let the cookies cool completely, and then with edible marker you can divide the star into sections. You can use a ruler or any straight edge object will do. Here I'm using a cardstock and a brown edible marker. Yellow marker also works. If you have a yellow marker, I like to use that as well. To decorate, I'm using 15-second consistency royal icing, and we're going to outline and flood each section. We're not going to wait for the sections to crust, so you can do adjacent sections right after you do the section that is next to it. Use your scribe tool. This is really important, using the scribe tool to help shape the icing. When you're going around the edge, you'll see it in the next shot. So we're alternating red, white, red, white, red, white, and then around we're gonna fill with light blue, but there is also a section that is blue. So here I'm increasing the pressure on a piping bag as I go around the edge, so I don't have to use my scribe tool where the edge is, because the icing next to it, the red, is still wet. So if I'm not careful enough, I will mess up that straight edge, and I don't want to do that. So increase the pressure and pipe that straight line without a gap, and then you can use your scribe tool to shape the points, accentuate the points. And now we're going to switch to blue. So I'm using this lovely royal icing blue, and again increase the pressure here. You can see more icing is coming out around the edge, and then fill that in. Now we're gonna add the stars, but instead of the stars I'm gonna pipe dots. So I'm starting in the middle and then staggering the dots using 15-second consistency white icing. And then immediately after that, I'm not waiting for the icing to crust, although you can wait for the star to crust if you want to. I'm using lighter blue for the outline and then filling each section. It's best to do these sections one at a time, so you have enough time for the icing, for you to shape the icing and distribute the icing evenly. If you don't have a scribe tool like this, I suggest using a toothpick. Make sure that you clean the tip of the toothpick or the scribe tool frequently into a clean paper towel or a kitchen towel. You can see when I go around the edge of the red and white, or blue, red and white, I increase the pressure just like when we were doing the red and white sections. Now we're gonna have to let everything dry. So that's gonna take about 8 to 12 hours. Once the icing is dry, we can outline the star. For this, I'm using piping consistency blue icing. This is light blue, like a sky blue. And we're gonna outline the star. This way we are kind of accentuating that star. And if you have sanding sugar, you can also dip the cookie in sanding sugar, or you can dust it with sanding sugar. You can use white, light blue, dark blue, whatever you have. It's going to enhance that star, and that's how you can decorate this round cookie with a star. If you have a star cutter that you like to use, however, if you're shipping these, I highly suggest using the round cutter with a star, because star shapes, they don't generally shape really well because of the arms. They can break easily in shipping unless the star is super small. So we are following the same technique. If you don't have edible marker, that's important because you are using the marker to create the guides. If you don't have edible marker, you can also use the scribe and very gently kind of scratch the surface of your cookie so you can see the lines. When I'm outlining with 15-second consistency, I'm not squeezing the piping bag too much. You can see the line is super fine. But then when I'm filling in, I increase the pressure and more icing is coming out. Now we can switch to that blue. This section, as you can see, it's slightly sped up. I don't decorate this fast. And for those of you who are picture learners, you can find a step-by-step tutorial on my blog. I'm going to put the link in the description box for you guys so you can check it out, with all the recipes and also a list of tools. Now once the icing is dry, we can outline the cookie. I'm using white icing for this one, and I'm also, and this is really helpful if you made any mistakes, this is going to hide those mistakes, so your borders are going to look sharp. And I'm using white sanding sugar here. And there. You can remove excess with a decorating bottle or a rubber duster if you have that. And that's how you can make these patriotic American flag star cookies. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.